Marieta, do you take Ronald here presents for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother of Church? Yes.
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Ikaw at ako pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundong magsama habang buhay. Nagsumpaan.
Ronald, do you take Marieta here present to your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother of Church?
O tagulan,
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
bawat
Yes.
unos
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes.
sana'y di magmaliw ang pagtingin, kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin, sa mundong walang katiyakan. Sabay nating gawin kahapon ng bukas.
Mom, Dad, it's been 25 years that you've been together, and only now are you blessed enough to be joined in God's church. And I just want to say that on behalf of Marco and myself and the rest of your extended family, we're so very proud of you and very, very happy that we can share this moment with you today.
Good afternoon, Ninong, Ninang. Congratulations. And first of all, thank you for coming over and celebrating your 25th year anniversary with us. Of course, we're very happy about it that we're together in this celebration. And at the same time, you're helping our economy also by coming over and spending your money. Thank you for that. And we would like to look forward to the next 50 years. Yeah, that's possible, right? I might be not here, but with love and of course the help of God, you will still be here. We love you and congratulations again.
Kung minsan ay di ko nababanggit, pag-ibig ko'y di masukat ng anumang lambing. At kung magkamali akong ika'y saktan, puso mo ba'y handang magpatawad?
Be with us, God our Father, as we strive to fulfill our marriage vows. Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul from this day forward. Together, who was, who refer, who poor, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.
Di ko alam ang gagawin kung mawala ka. Buhay ko'y may kahulugan tuwing ako'y iyong hagkan. Umabot man sa ating huling hantungan, kapit puso kitang hahayaan, ngayon at kailanman. Ikaw at ako